So it is basically the study of human societies and cultures through the analysis of material remains and artifacts. And we see that humans are not the only animals that use tools. When we go to our bones, the underlying structure is more or less similar.
Can race be studied through skeletons?
So a statement is, I like writing. A reflection could be that as I was growing up, my, family made sure that I was surrounded by a lot of reading material, which sort of instilled in me a love for the written word, or interest in how powerful imagination is.
There is a lot more material in fiction than there is for non-fiction, because people obviously use their imagination.
Love seems personal, something that happens in the private realm, but it's always in relation, in confrontation with another.
It's Romeo's name that is her enemy, not Romeo himself.